In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing without an investment or without a website. So what I'm going to show you in this video is where you can find products and how you can use these products to pretty much earn affiliate commissions without doing the work yourself. All right, it's interesting, right? All right, so if you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing without an investment, then keep watching the video. Let's get started. All right, so first of all, I just want to say that honestly, it doesn't matter which platform you're using. For now, for the video, I'm going to be using Warrior Plus, but you can simply go to Google and then search for affiliate program, or just use one that you're already using, right? And then choose a product that you can start promoting. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, it's pretty much promoting a product and then earning a slight piece of the pie, right? So earning a commission. So for example, this is a platform called Warrior Plus, where you can find all of these products that you can then start promoting and earn a commission. Now on here, what you can do first of all is find a product that you would actually like to promote. So on here, you'll find all of these products. You can create an account for free by going to warriorplus.com and then go to affiliate offers, and you'll then find all of this. Now what you need first is an actual product. Now I was doing some research and I came across this one called Buildsy. All right, so if you go to that page, and by the way, you can do that by clicking right there on the product name, just like that. You'll see that it will send me over to the same page as that one. There we go. All right, let me get rid of this one then. So on here, you can find all of the information that comes with the product. Now, if you click right there, you'll see the commissions that you can earn. So the standard product will cost people 24 bucks. You'll earn a 50% commission, which means that every single time someone is gonna buy this with your own link, you're gonna make that $12, right? What I like though about Warrior Plus is that most products will have upsells like these. So that means that someone buys this and then the product maker is then going to try and get the people to buy all of these other products as well. All right, and you'll see that you'll also earn commissions for those. So this one is pretty much 50% all the time. So if someone actually ends up buying all of this, you can make quite a lot of money. You'll probably make like 300 bucks in total. I mean, if someone buys all of these, right? But even if they only buy the standard product, you'll still make $12, all right? So step number one, find a product. So I'm going to use this one as an example. Now we need to know what the product is about, what kind of problem it will solve. So this one is about making money. So you can use Buildsy to make money with money-making websites. So this is a WordPress plugin that allows you to build money-making sites by curating videos and news from popular video platforms. All right. So what this is going to do is that once you have the product, it's going to help you create money-making websites because it has a WordPress plugin. Now the website, the free traffic source that I like using for this is YouTube. Now don't worry if you don't want to be on camera, if you don't want to create your own videos, if you don't even want to be on YouTube, use YouTube, don't worry, you can still do this because what I'm about to show you is amazing, because I'll show you, like I said in the intro, how you can do it without actually doing the work yourself, right? That's interesting. All right, so we have this product, right? So you want to find out what kind of problem it solves. In this case, it's a plugin that's going to help you make money with a website. So what I can then do is type in a keyword phrase and find out what people are searching for. So how to make money, and in this case, it's going to be how to make money with a WordPress, and you'll see, there we go, with a WordPress automatic news block, automated news block. So these search terms right here are perfect, literally perfect for this product, because this product solves this problem. So you want to find keywords where you can promote a product that solves that problem that's involved in the keyword, if that makes sense. And you can do that with anything, all right? It doesn't have to be a make money product. It can be anything. Just find a product that solves a keyword phrase that people search for. So if I click right there, you'll see that there are videos how to make money with a WordPress automated news blog. So this guy, 48K views, he has 41K subscribers, but you have to keep in mind that most of this will be search traffic. So you don't, like, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you'll have, because right now you can see these videos, like his normal videos, get about 1K views on average. And this video, 48K, over 2 years, all right? So this will also be passive income because people can now click on this, buy a product in the video, and this guy will still make that commission even though he put in the work 2 years ago. But what I would like to show you guys is that you can use these specific search terms to make money and pretty much earn commissions. So what you can do is create a video like this, all right? So it doesn't have to be 1 hour long video, but simply create a video about what the actual search term may be. You can then involve this specific product and promote it to that audience because the product needs to solve their issue, all right? Which is why I said that you need to go with a keyword phrase that actually helps them out and actually provides value and solves their problem. So in this case, what I would do is create a video about how to make a WordPress website, a news automated website that's gonna help me make money online. So this keyword phrase is perfect as the title. And I say that because people actually search for it, right? If you type in anything, all of the results on here that show up are keywords that people do search for. It's not that YouTube just kind of like makes them up, but this is actual data that they use because they know what people search for. So how to make money with WordPress and then automated news blog, right? That specific keyword phrase. What you would do is you can buy the product yourself, or you don't even have to buy it. You can go to the sales page and you would then simply start talking, provide value about whatever it is that you need to solve. So in this case, I would help people build a website, a automated news money-making website, and I would show them all of the benefits. So what I would do is simply download a software called OBS Studio. I'm using that right now to record this video, and I use that for all my videos. But what I would then do is simply go to the sales page or buy it myself. If you have the money, if you have the budget to buy all of the products yourself, then definitely do that because you can show them the inside and show them all of the benefits. If not, if you just want to get started, you don't have any budget, what you can do is simply record the sales page and then just go over all of the benefits that come with the specific product. So what you would do is simply download the software and start talking. By the way, if you don't want to do that, keep watching. I'm about to show you another trick, another thing that you can use to not even make the video yourself. But what you would do is start listing all of the benefits and think about it. If you actually provide value, if you're actually going to solve their problem with this product, it makes sense for them to buy it, to click on the link and buy it, right? So what you would do is create a video providing value, so solving their problem with whatever keyword that may be. So it could be this, it could be anything, like it doesn't matter. And then leave a link, a custom affiliate link in the description down below. So what you're going to do is simply get people, and I'm pretty sure that Andy right here is doing it. Not sure which product that he's promoting as of right now in that specific video, but he's definitely, you can see, using links to a product, all right? So in this case, it's probably his own product, but he's linking to products, right? And you can do the exact same thing with these products from Warrior Plus, all right? So you need to get your custom affiliate link, which you can do right here. I'm on my other account because I don't want to leak my actual info. But you can request approval and then get your own custom link and then put those in the description down below. So when people see the video and they want to buy the product or at least check it out, they can click on that link. If they then buy it, you will earn the commissions that are listed right there. And that's what I do to pretty much make money with affiliate marketing without an investment and without a website. Now, like I said, if you don't want to do it yourself, you can either partner up with someone that's going to make the videos and do 50-50, or you can invest back. I mean, you can invest that money back into someone that's going to make the videos through Fiverr or Upwork. So these are freelancing platforms where you can find people that would definitely be willing to make those videos because they will also get paid. But that's pretty much what I do and what I would do if I were just starting out. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. If it did, then I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. If you have any questions about this, then yeah, just let me know in the comments below and then I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day.